guys, it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel. So, let me ask you, since we have been in quarantine, have you been feeling like you are the most productive person on the planet? Yeah, me either. And I say that just because when this all first started, I thought I was going to be the most productive person ever. I had all these plans to get everything done. However, I haven't done anything. I wonder if that's because we think that with all this extra time in the day, we can put things off for the evening. When the evening comes, we realize that we don't have anything done. So what I would like to create is a daily routine plan. And with this, I hope it allows us to be as productive as possible and to use the most of our time. So let's go ahead and start creating our daily routines. Before getting started, I do want to give credit to It's Claudia G on Pinterest. I was inspired by her idea. Here in the middle, I'm going to be making a timeline from the time I wake up to the time I am no longer productive. Make the middle of the timeline a bit smaller just because I'll be working and not as productive during that time. When it came to my routine, I put the title, the time, and a little doodle next to each of them. I'm just coloring in the time blocks where I'll be occupied during the day. I'm outlining the title just so it's easier to read. And here's our final product. Alright, so that is our daily routine. I'll be keeping you guys updated on how it does turn out and if it's been helping me out. If not, I may tweak it a bit, such as the hours. So please stay tuned for that one. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to stay tuned for future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching today's, and I will see you next time.